Hello everyone, welcome back to the dbadmin.com. Today we are diving into the world of Docker and containerization. Two buzzwords you have probably heard of if you are into coding, DevOps, or just tech in general. But what do they actually mean and why should you care? By the end of this video, you will not only understand Docker, but also see how it's like packing for a trip or running a food truck. Stick around, hit that like button if you are excited, and let's get started. Okay, let's start with the basics. Containerization. Imagine you are moving out to a new apartment. You could just throw off all your stuff, clothes, books, kitchen gear into the back of truck, right? But what happens when you get there? It's a mess. Socks mixed with pots, books crushed under furniture, total chaos. Now imagine instead you pack everything into neat labeled boxes, clothes in one, kitchen stuff in another. That's containerization in a nutshell. It's about organizing and isolating things so they are portable and easy to manage. In tech, containerization does the same thing for software. Normally, when you build an application, it needs a specific environment. Think libraries, dependencies, and settings to run properly. But if you move that app to a different computer or server, it might break because the environment is different. Containers solve this by packing your application and everything it need to be in one tidy box. That one box can run anywhere, your laptop, a cloud server, your friend's PC, without any kind of drama. So, containerization is like giving your application its own little portable home. Cool, right? But how do we actually do this? Let's enter Docker. Docker is the tool that makes containerization easy. Think of it like a super smart shipping. You tell Docker, hey, pack my app into a container, and it handles all heavy lifting, bundling your code, libraries, and settings into a lightweight package called a container. Then it ships that container wherever you need it to go. But here's where it gets fun. Imagine you are running a food truck festival. Each truck is a container. It's got its own kitchen, ingredients, and menu, totally independent from others. One truck making tacos, another baking pizzas. They do not interfere and they can set up anywhere with power. Docker's containers are the same. Each one runs its own app isolated from the rest, but they all share same power from your computer's operating system. Unlike virtual machines, which are like renting a whole building for each app, complete with its own foundation, Docker containers are lighter and faster because they share the operating system underneath. Less overhead, more efficiency. It's why developers love Docker. It's like upgrading from a clunky RV to a sleek food truck. But why bother with Docker? Three big reasons. First, consistency. Ever had it? It works on my machine nightmare. Docker eliminates that. Your container works the same way everywhere. Second, scalability. Need 10 copies of your application for a big launch? Docker spins up containers like a food truck fleet at a festival. Third, collaboration. Share your container with your team and they have got the exact same setup. No more setup headaches. Real world examples like Netflix and Spotify use Docker to run thousands of containers delivering movies and music flawlessly. It's a powerful stuff. And that's Docker and containerization in a nutshell. It's like packing smart for a trip or running a food truck empire. Organized, portable, and efficient. If you want to try it yourself, download Docker and play around. In the next video, we will discuss the hands-on of Docker and do some projects over it. What do you think of this explanation? Drop a comment, smash that like button if you learned something, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. That's your DB admin, and I'll see you in the next one.